Is that from today or from, what is that?
Duct tape. Duct tape.
Oh, are you filming? I didn't mean to. What's that?
That's duct tape. That's duct tape.
What is that?
Oh, it's a keychain link. Oh, the thing I gave you on the...
Oh yeah, I kept it. I have it. Little goat. What is that? What is that? That page marker?
See if it works in your little journal or whatever. There. That's the strong side.
Anyway, what I've heard is to get to the furthest northern tip, Australia, northern tip of this peninsula, you have to on these, you have to take a boat.
What is that?
This is a different pen holder for journals. See that? It's the same as this.
Oh, okay,
But
gotcha.
this one goes like this
Uh-huh.
and fits like this.
Uh-huh.
So for instance,
You have two different pins. You need that one.
like this, like that.
Very good.
Yeah, yeah, I know this is strange, but I wanted to
Yeah. I have a bamboo and or a coconut and a walnut cleaner for the sink. I was gonna put this one like that next to that one, so I can keep the walnut one on. And the key ring.
That garbage.
This $6 pen.
What's that? A pin?
$6 Chinese pen.
The things you learn, like one day, apparently, that village, at that tip, 3 or 4 moves, they speak like this secret language, like that nobody else speaks, like a mix of Portuguese and Hindi and Persian. Crazy.
Is that a, what kind of ink pen or a, or is it like a fountain pen? Uh-oh. Huh? Did you break it already?
Fountain pen.
Oh.
You try it. You try it with your expensive ink.
Probably would use it on the other side, maybe. 'Cause it's thinner.
Yeah, I put the ink in this one.
See how it writes.
They're advertised right now too, though. I didn't know how pretty it is. Still, probably go out and do some more exploring. I heard the Omanis only come out in the evening. The sun's almost out. My God, this place. Incredible movie set or something like that. Beautiful. About 90 degrees. Very exciting here. Not sure where everybody's from. How you doing? Where are you guys from? India. India, all from India. Came here to work? Why did you come to Oman? Mostly for selling? I'm working on the ceiling. You fix ceilings. It's too hot. Is it hotter than India? You all from the same part of India? Same. Mumbai? UP. Oh, Uttar Pradesh. I've been to India one time. Calcutta. Well, nice to meet you. It's taking a while. Apparently they have a lot of migrant labor at Oman also. There's something like very distinctive about the Gulf. Like I've always saw were Iraqis. You go to Jordan, all Jordanians. 45 minutes at the airport waiting for an E7. He just flew across the Atlantic, like all the Americans walking around the city. The more you use Nomad, the more time you spend on your trip, on your journey, on your memories. So download the Nomad app. First of all, you'll notice that even though this is Oman, it's part of Oman, it's completely disconnected, like the heart of the country. The U.S. tip of this peninsula, Mosambique, you only go there by boat. There's a rare language that no one else speaks. It's called.
Today is Sunday, 21 June 2026. We are eating Culver's. Prime filet mignon day. Or no,
Superior.
Bordeaux Superior 2-inch filet mignons with pepper salad, buttered blueberry sourdough bread. That's it for today.
So, this my first fill using the new filter media. So timer for 5 minutes. What the fuck is going on with this low light? Connection problem? Amperage problem? It's an amperage problem. Anyway, we are in good shape now. Fix that low light. Now, so I've got the variable VND filter on. Got it set to 2. Hopefully that's adequate. Let's see what the numbers are here. So my Luna Ultra now recording. We are. Update. This thing starting up adequately. When I need to exchange out the new filters. Got 1 minute left on my first fill for the screen. But let me check that. 1500 is pretty good. So I need 34. 82. 3482 is what I need. So 3482 is what I need. For 3 minutes. Okay, got it back pumping now. Almost done with the water fill. We're done our prime shopping for today. 1500 to 1700, 1300. Got the PMI levels here. Pretty decent. It's gonna overflow. I gotta be careful. Charging the batteries for my earmuffs. I should probably focus on doing some film development next. Turn to that hobby. 49, looking pretty good. 52 seconds, it's pretty accurate. 68. 23.4. I guess that's acceptable. 23.4 is acceptable. $23.4. Pretty good, I think. Anything else to do here? I believe we might be done now. Head on upstairs. We are now at my main desk. Let's see what returns. These would be the returns. So the returns are readied, I think.